Hi everyone, so my name is Daniel and I built NEXUS-MM. So NEXUS-MM is a world model, a mental world model. I like to take it like that, but NEXUS-MM is also an AI. It's an AI, artificial intelligence, but a mental one, not a language one. So from here, this is the dashboard about NEXUS-MM. This is the robot safety test. So here we have 16 different surfaces here. For example, let me take eyes as an example for you to test it for you. So let us run a test. And you see the speed, let us increase the speed a bit to 0.60. So this the risk assessment showed 95.0, and that's very high. So let's test a robot, for example, and let's reduce the speed to 0.25, 15, and see the speed, the risk assessment reduced. So NEXUS-MM helps robot to understand how the real world works. This is the robot safety test. When NEXUS-MM is connected to a robot, the robot understands how different surfaces actually work than to be controlled by a command. NEXUS-MM acts as a brain to robots. It's like training a little baby on how the world works. So look at this 16. If you look at these 16 different models here, we have the hardware, we have the strategy, we have the brain. For example, let us run the physics, test the physics. Let's discover it. So as you can see, it's loading. So as you can see here, success, true, stimulation. So NEXUS-MM also discovers, does material discovery, and this material discovery here, that's why it's running it. Yeah, it has discovered a lot of materials, and here, if you want to here, you see batch test. You can also run tests, batch simulator. Let's run it. So the batch simulator is running, as you can see here. Batch progress 50/100, 50/60/100, 60 out of 100, 70, 80, 90, 100 success. So 100 stimulation complete, 5 slow, 95 stop. This is it. NEXUS-MM did test in almost 100 surfaces. So as you can see, these are the results. Run one surface, other spill, trails, and this etc. Yeah. So NEXUS-MM also deals with let me show you something here.